How to download video from Facebook Lite. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So in order for you to download a video from Facebook Lite, you first need to copy the link of that video. So let's go ahead and do that. Open up the Facebook Lite and let's find a video. Say for example this video right here. Once you're here, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the video, and from the given menu list click on copy link. Once the link has been copied, you need to go back and open up any browser you have and search for Facebook video downloader. Now as you can see, there's a lot of results right here, but basically you can choose any one of them as they all work the same way and do the same job. So for example, I'm going to choose this one right here, and what you need to do is you need to paste the link that you copied of that video right here and click on download. And as you can see, the website will give you your video ready to be downloaded in different qualities. So choose any quality you want and click on download next to it. You might get an ad, so just skip it. And as you can see, your file is being downloaded. And once the download ends, you will find your file in your mobile gallery. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can download videos using the Facebook Lite app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.